Hey y'all, got it done. Today was leg day. Leg day is my favorite day, but today was pretty hard. I don't know if it was the rain. I don't know if it was all of the work that we did over the weekend for my daughter's graduation party. I'm not sure, but I got it done. We got it done. No excuses. We got to do it when we don't want to do it. They say that's when the work is truly working. So I hope you guys had a good day. I hope that you accomplished any goal that you had set for yourself. And if not, there's always tomorrow. But don't keep saying that because tomorrow will never come. So, all these sayings, right? It's like, which one do we trust? We don't trust any of them. Just trust ourselves and make good choices. That's going to help you get to the goal that you're looking for in life. All right? I love you. I ain't gonna make this long because I'm recording this really late and hubby sleep next to me, so I don't want to disturb him too much. But y'all have a blessed day. I'm praying for y'all. What I want for me, I want for yourself. So y'all be good. Love each other. Be safe. Make good choices so you have no regrets. Peace out.